Most people, so-called e-com experts, yeah, I won't name drop, but you know the type. They will keep you watching 2 hour video filled with buzzwords, motivational fluff, and to just give you 2 minutes of actual strategy. But not here. I'm Umar and this is 2 minute video. I'm gonna give you the 5 real mistakes you are probably making in your Amazon PPC campaigns, the ones that are silently killing your growth and bleeding your ad budget. Let's go. First up, auto campaigns. Either you are using them and letting Amazon go wild with your budget, or you are turning them off too soon. So smart seller use auto campaigns to harvest high converting keywords, then move them into manual campaigns to scale. Don't let them blindly guide them. So the next, your campaign structure sucks. The branded plus non-branded keyword mixed together, broad plus exact in one campaign. Why? This kills your data clarity and making optimization a nightmare. So fix it. Separate branded non-branded keywords, split by the match type, group similar products, not your entire. So third one, you have got zero control over your budget. Amazon's happy to spend your money even it is not converting. So set daily caps, use portfolios, track performance by campaign. Your ad spend is not infinite. Treat like cash from your own wallet. So mistake number 4 is no targeting strategy. So no real strategy. You are just dumping keywords from helium 10 to campaigns without thinking. High search volume, high relevance, right? So segment your targeting: awareness stage keywords, conversion ready long tails, ASIN targeting for competitors, and precision beats guessing. So the last mistake is this is a big one. You set your campaign and forget it. Weeks go by, you have not added negatives, adjust bids, or pause the losers. So that is not PPC. That is a leak in your profit bucket. Block out time every week for quick audits. It pays off. So here is the deal. Amazon PPC is not magic. But if you fix these 5 mistakes, you will instantly gain back control, cut wasted spend, and start seeing real ROAS. If you found this video helpful, hit like button, drop your PPC struggle in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more straight up, no fluff Amazon strategy. I'm Umar and this is e-commerce simplified. Catch you in the next video.